In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to distribute objects by exact spacing in PowerPoint. If you've ever lined up icons, photos, or shapes and struggled to make the spacing look perfectly even, this is the tool you've been looking for. Distribute takes a set of selected objects and evens out the gaps between them, giving your slide a clean, professional look with just a couple of clicks. Start by selecting all the objects you want to distribute. Click the first object to highlight it, then hold Shift and click each of the others you want to include. You'll know they're all selected when you see handles around every object. If you accidentally grab something extra, keep holding Shift and click it again to deselect. The distribute command only works on what's selected, so take a second to make sure you've got everything you need and nothing you don't. With your objects selected, look to the ribbon for either the Shape Format tab or the Picture Format tab, depending on what you clicked. If you don't see these tabs, simply click one of the selected objects and the contextual tab will appear. In that tab, find the Align button, often located in the Arrange group. Click Align to open its menu. Now choose how you want to distribute the objects. Pick Distribute horizontally to even out the left to right spacing, or distribute vertically to even out top to bottom spacing. PowerPoint automatically spaces the objects evenly between the first and last selected object, keeping those outer objects in place and moving the ones in between so the gaps match. If your layout is a row, use horizontal. If it's a column, use vertical. For a truly polished result, you can optionally use Align Top, Align Bottom, Align Left, or Align Right before distributing. This ensures all objects share the same edge, so you don't end up with a slight staircase effect. For example, if your objects are arranged in a row, choose Align Top or Align Bottom first so they line up perfectly, then run Distribute horizontally to make the spacing consistent. Finally, give everything a quick visual check. In normal view, zoom in to confirm the spacing looks even and the edges line up. Then switch to Slideshow to preview how it will appear during your presentation. If anything looks off, return to normal view, adjust your selection, and apply the same distribute command again. That's all it takes to distribute objects by exact spacing in PowerPoint and elevate the overall precision of your slides.